Hello everyone, welcome to the captivating world of programming, where lines of code hold the power to shape the future. In this ever-evolving realm, the journey of programming is more than a mere syntax. It's a dynamic adventure into the heart of technological innovations. As we step into the future, the landscape of programming unfolds with AI-driven intelligence, the democratization of development, the intricacies of IoT, and the secure frontiers of blockchain. Join me on an exploration of the programming horizon, where every keystroke has the potential to create, automate, and revolutionize the way we interact with the digital universe. Welcome to the frontier of the future programming, and a landscape as vast as intriguing as the code that fuels it. Firstly, let's talk about what is programming. Programming is the art and science of crafting precise sets of instructions that computers can interpret and execute. At its core, it involves problem solving through the creation of algorithms, step-by-step procedures designed to solve specific tasks. Programmers use programming languages as their tools to communicate with computers, translating human logic into a format that machines can understand. These languages, ranging from high-level languages like Python to lower-level languages like C++, serve as a bridge between human thought processes and the binary code that computers comprehend. The programming process typically begins with the problem analysis, where a programmer identifies the challenges to be addressed. Following this, an algorithm is designed, a systematic plan of action to solve the problem. The actual implementation of this plan is the coding phase, where the programmer writes lines of code that adhere to the syntax and rules of the chosen programming language. After coding, extensive testing and debugging are carried out to ensure the program functions correctly, identifying and rectifying any errors or bugs that may arise during execution. Programmers often rely on tools, libraries, and frameworks to expedite the development process. These resources provide pre-written code snippets, reusable components, and standardized structures that enhance efficiency. The continuous maintenance of programs, including updates, improvements, and bug fixes, is an integral part of the programming lifecycle. The impact of programming extends far beyond just writing code. It is a fundamental skill that underlines the creation of software applications, websites, and technological solutions across various domains. From developing mobile apps to designing complex algorithms for artificial intelligence, programming is the driving force behind innovation in the digital age. It empowers individuals to automate tasks, analyze vast datasets, and build sophisticated systems that shape the way we interact with technology. As technology continues to evolve, programming skills remain at the forefront, enabling individuals to harness the potential of computers to solve problems and bring ideas to life. Now let's talk about how to start programming in 2024. Step number 1. Define your goals. Why do you want to learn programming? Understanding your motivation is crucial for a successful programming journey. Whether it's solving problems, creating applications, or pursuing a career change, having a clear goal will keep you focused. Choosing a programming language based on your goals. Python, ideal for beginners due to its readability and versatility. JavaScript, essential for web development. Java and C++, suitable for building applications. R and Julia, useful for data science. Set up your development environment. Install a code editor. Choosing the right code editor enhances your coding experience. Visual Studio Code, Atom, and Sublime Text are popular choices known for their user-friendly interfaces and extensive plugin ecosystems. Install a compiler interpreter. Depending on the language you choose, install the necessary tools. For Python, you might use Anaconda or PIP. For Java, install the Java Development Kit. Explore version control. Learn Git, a widely used version control system. Platforms like GitHub offer a collaborative environment for hosting and sharing code. Step number 3. Learn the basics. Online platforms. Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Coursera offer interactive lessons suitable for beginners. These platforms provide a structured learning path with hands-on exercises. Books. Complement your online earning with books like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python or Eloquent JavaScript. Books provide in-depth explanations and reinforce theoretical concepts. Tutorials and documentation. Refer to official documentation and tutorials. You choose language. Understanding how to navigate documentation is a valuable skill for programmers. Step number 4. Practice regularly. Coding challenges. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeWars provide coding challenges to enhance your problem-solving skills. Regular practice hones your ability to think algorithmically. Projects. Start small projects to apply your knowledge. Building projects helps you understand real-world application and boost your portfolio. Step 5. Deepen your knowledge. Advanced courses. As you progress, enroll in more advanced courses on platforms like Udacity, edX, or Pluralsight. These courses cover advanced topics and frameworks. Specialize. Explore specific areas such as web development, mobile app development, machine learning, or cybersecurity. Specializing enhances your expertise and opens up niche opportunities. Engage with community. Online forums. Participate in online forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or Discord channels. Engaging with the community helps you learn from experienced developers and find solutions to common problems. Attend meetups and conferences. Join local or virtual events to network with professionals. Attendees often share insights, and networking can lead to mentorship opportunities. Build a portfolio. GitHub. Use GitHub to showcase your projects. A well-maintained GitHub profile and demonstrates your coding skills and commitment to potential employers. Personal website. Create a personal website to host your portfolio. A website adds a professional touch and provides a centralized location for potential employers to learn more about you. Stay updated. Follow industry news. Stay informed about the latest programming trends, languages, and tools. Platforms like Hacker News and podcasts like Coding Blocks can help you stay updated. Continuous learning. Programming is a dynamic with continuous advancement. Cultivate a habit of learning regularly to stay relevant in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Seek feedback. Code reviews. Participate in or seek code reviews to improve your coding practices. Constructive feedback accelerates your learning and helps you write cleaner, more efficient code. Mentorship. Connect with experienced developers who can provide guidance. Mentorship accelerates your learning by benefiting from the experiences of others. Apply for internships or entry-level positions. Prepare a resume. Craft a resume highlighting your skills, projects, and contributions. Tailor it to showcase how your skills align with the job requirements. Build a LinkedIn profile. Create a LinkedIn profile showcasing your projects, skills, and experience. Connect with professionals in your chosen field and join relevant groups to expand your network. Here are some additional tips from professionals which you can use to be successful in the world of programming. Stay persistent. Learning to program is a gradual process. Stay persistent and don't be discouraged by challenges. Experiment and explore. Experiment with new technologies, frameworks, and project ideas. Exploration is key to discovering your interests. Balance theory and practice. Combine theoretical knowledge with hands-on coding. Practical application solidifies your understanding. Take breaks. Avoid burnout by taking breaks. A rested mind is more receptive to learning and problem solving. Now let's talk about the future of programming. The future of programming holds exciting prospects as technology continues to advance. As we look ahead, several key trends and shifts are shaping the landscape of programming. Firstly, artificial intelligence and machine learning are becoming integral to programming. Automated code generation, predictive analytics, and the development of intelligent systems are transforming how programmers approach problem solving. As AI capabilities evolve, it is likely that programming tasks will increasingly involve collaboration between human programmers and AI systems. Another significant trend is the rise of low code and no code development platforms. These tools empower individuals with limited coding experience to create applications through graphical interfaces and pre built components. This democratization of programming could lead to a more diverse pool of individuals contributing to software development. The Internet of Things is reshaping how we interact with the physical world, and programming will play a pivotal role in developing applications for interconnected devices. The ability to write code that seamlessly integrates with sensors, actuators, and IoT platforms will be in high demand. Cross platform development is gaining prominence, driven by the need for applications that can run on multiple devices and operating systems. Frameworks like Flutter and React Native enable developers to build apps for both iOS and Android platforms, simultaneously streamlining the development process. Blockchain technology is also influencing programming, particularly in areas like smart contracts and decentralized applications. As blockchain adoption grows, programmers skilled in developing secure and decentralized solutions will be increasingly sought after. Cybersecurity will remain a critical concern, and programmers will play a crucial role in developing secure software. Understanding secure coding practices, encryption techniques, and threat detection will be essential skills in the future of programming. In terms of programming languages, the landscape is ever evolving. While established languages like Python and JavaScript continue to be popular, newer languages like Rust and Kotlin are gaining traction, addressing specific needs in performance and modern application development. Continuous integration and delivery practices are becoming standard, allowing for more efficient and rapid software development cycles. Automation in testing, deployment, and monitoring will be essential for maintaining high-quality software in the future. In summary, the future of programming is characterized by the integration of AI, the rise of low-code platforms, the impact of IoT, the importance of cross-platform development, the influence of blockchain, the emphasis on cybersecurity, and the evolution of programming languages and development practices. Programmers who embrace these trends and continuously update their skills will be well positioned to contribute to the dynamic and ever expanding field of programming. As we draw the curtains on this exploration into the future of programming, it's evident that the journey ahead is both exhilarating and full of possibilities. The landscape we have traversed, from the integration of artificial intelligence to the democratization of coding, the interconnected world of IoT, and the secure foundation of blockchain, reveals the dynamic nature of the programming realm. Remember, in this ever-shifting landscape, staying curious, adapting to emerging technologies, and embracing the continuous learning that defines programming is key. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just embarking on this exciting journey, the future of programming invites you to be a part of the transformative forces shaping our digital world. The future awaits, and in the hands of programmers, it holds the promise of innovation, problem solving, and endless opportunities. Happy coding, and may your lines of code continue to leave an indelible mark on the ever evolving canvas of technology. Stay happy and happy coding.